laughs too.
I love you.
Did he say I love you?
Do you want to turn him on and see if he laughs? Do you love
Oh,
him?
he's probably gonna like the monkey even better because he's quite obsessed with monkeys.
Look at those eyes and his ears.
Uh-huh. He actually laughs too.
Turn him on, Erin.
Here, buddy, let's turn on the monkey.
You won't let go?
You love your monkey? You say thanks. You love...
He said I love you so much.
Thank you, Susan.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie.
I love my new monkey.
Thank you.
Do you want to
You're
turn him on?
welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Here, buddy, let me hug you. You're a sweetheart. Okay. It's okay. We're just gonna turn him on.
Start for a second.
He loves too.
I love you.
Aww. That's pretty sweet. Sounds remarkably like the other guy.
It does. They have them set up in the toy store so that you, if the light's sensitive and you're just lying on the floor, and you walk by.